Hello everyone and welcome to our new video, where today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best memory foam mattresses in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these mattresses, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Zinus 10-inch Gel-Infused Memory Foam Mattress. The Zinus would be an ideal option for anyone who wants to have a quality sleep and wake up full of energy in order to respond effectively to the challenges of the modern lifestyle. So, let's get into action and understand why this mattress is a top choice for many customers. From a design perspective, the Zinus measures 80 inches in length, 60 inches in width and 10 inches in height, which is fairly big, so you will have a large space to accommodate yourself and enjoy great comfort. One of the materials included is a visco-latex memory foam, which guarantees a better durability, higher resistance to microorganisms and allergens, as well as provides a better contouring and pressure relief to your whole body. The second material is a swirl gel memory foam, which ensures an ideal sleep temperature, or to be more precise, it will support every inch of your body, so you can get the adequate quality sleep. The foams are designed to meet the Serta Pure US rigorous standards for performance, durability and quality, so they are certified by this organization, which means that you can't go wrong if you choose this model. The manufacturer did a really good job with integrating the coil springs as well, because they will relieve the pressure and reduce the transfer motion so your sleep won't be interrupted during the night. To be more precise, if you're sleeping next to somebody, you won't be bounced around every time the person next to you lays down or gets up. Before we end, I want to mention that this mattress is easy to set up, because all you have to do is just remove it from the box and leave it for 72 hours. The mattress will then air out and expand to its natural size on its own, so after 72 hours you can comfortably sleep on it. To conclude, if you're looking for a quality product that can improve your sleep without paying a large amount of money, then the Zinus would be an ideal option for you. Next up, at number 4 we have the Sweetnight 10-inch Cool Gel Memory Foam Mattress. The Sweetnight is a 10-inch gel memory foam mattress that uses a 3-zone layer system, which means that you will experience the most comfortable sleeping experience like you've never previously tasted before. From a design perspective, the Sweetnight Queen model measures 60 by 80 by 10 inches and features a two-sided functionality in which the top side feels hard but comfortable, while if you flip it over and choose the bottom side, which is softer, you will be provided with strong support, so you can always choose the one which suits you the most. I've stated at the beginning that the mattress uses a 3-zone layer system, so I will explain briefly each of them. The first one is a 2-inch gel-infused memory foam, which delivers a cloud-like feel. The second is a 5-inch comfort that is composed of a firm middle part for distributing the pressure points equally in order to fully support your body, while the third one is a 3-inch high-density support foam that offers a deep down support. Another great thing about this model is its motion isolation, which offers localized bouncing, which is always welcome when you're sleeping with someone on the same bed. This means that you can feel if your partner lays or gets up from the bed, so you can sleep without getting disturbed. The foams are certified by the Serta Pure US, which says a lot about their quality, so you shouldn't worry about anything. Before we end, I want to inform you that the gel foam and the breathable fabric components are one of the key points of this model, because the gel foam distributes cool heat across your whole body, while the breathable fabric will ensure that the comfort will now be better than ever. To conclude, this 10-inch foam queen-size mattress is reasonably priced for what you actually get, so you can take it into consideration, and if you ever decide to buy it, you will assure yourself of how quality this model is. Next up, at number 3 we have the Lisa mattress. The Lisa king-size mattress is not the cheapest in the market, but there aren't many that can compete with the quality and durability that this mattress possesses. From a design perspective, the Lisa measures 76 inches in width, 80 inches in length, 10 inches in depth, and features a supportive multi-layer design that is accompanied by 3 layers of premium quality foam that will ensure a distraction-free sleep through the night and during the lazy Sunday afternoons. The 3-layer foam system is composed of a 2-inch foam top layer that is extremely useful due to the fact that it has two purposes. The first is to deliver a natural airflow across your whole body, while the second is to ensure that you will have enough bounce and a highly supportive freedom of movement. The second layer is a 2-inch memory foam layer that will gently hold your body contour and will provide you with pressure relief, so the next morning you will be more energized than ever. The third, in my opinion, is the most useful. To be more precise, the 6-inch foam layer provides a supportive foundation for the Lisa mattress and ensures that people of different sizes can lay and sleep comfortably. I also really love the fact that the mattress has an overwhelming edge support, so if you're sharing the bed with your partner, you don't have to worry about the security, because you can't roll out of the bed when you're changing positions, since Lisa will support you and keep you stable. In addition, another notable thing about this mattress is its motion transfer. If you have kids who want to jump on your bed, Lisa does a pretty good job of dampening the disturbance, which means that your bed will be still stable and won't move at all. Overall, the Lisa mattress is not really affordable for everyone's budget, but in my opinion, I think that you should invest for such mattresses because they will last for years and it will drastically improve your health condition. At number 2, we have the Serta iComfort mattress. The Serta iComfort is a queen-sized memory foam mattress that is surely one of the best mattresses in this price range, because it combines quality materials with a premium look, which is more than enough to satisfy even the most demanding users. From a design perspective, the Serta measures 80 by 60 by 9.75 inches and features a 4-layer design that is composed of a 0.75-inch temp-active gel memory foam. It also has 2-inch Evercool fused memory foam, 1-inch Serta balance support foam, and 6 inches of Serta Ultimate Edge foam core, where each plays a huge role in providing a cloud-like sensational feeling. The 6-inch Serta Ultimate Edge foam core is the one that supports your body's construction and provides a proper spinal alignment, while on the other side, the temp-active touch cover works closely together with a 0.75-inch temp-active gel memory foam and the 2-inch Evercool fused gel memory foam with the intention to regulate the appropriate temperature level so it won't get warm when you're sleeping. This mattress is ideal for those who sleep on their back or on their stomach because it responds to the body movements and reshapes as you're moving from one position to another. On the other side, it distributes the body weight equally, so you will be relieved from any pressure. You shouldn't also worry about your bed frame, since the Serta is well engineered so it works with all bed frame types. All you have to do is just take it off the box and place it into your bed frame and enjoy your sleeping sessions. The high quality materials which this product was made of are designed to withstand continuous usage for years. So, after a prolonged period of time, you won't notice any difference in terms of quality and comfort. To conclude, you should seriously consider this mattress as your next purchase, because it can accommodate a wide variety of users and it is really durable, so you wouldn't have to pay for another after a longer period of time. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Sleep Innovations Shea. The Sleep Innovations Shea is a 10-inch queen memory foam mattress which comes at an affordable price and it is one of the most sold products in the past years. So, let's get into action and find out why it is so special. The Shea measures 80 by 60 by 10 inches, which is more than enough to accommodate 2 people at once without any problems, so you're definitely going to have a really good sleeping session. The Shea features a duo comfort design that is composed of a 3-inch short temp memory foam on the top and a 7-inch Support Plus foam on the bottom, for which we will talk more in the following section. Thanks to the duo comfort design, the mattress can accommodate different users and adjust itself to the user's body contour with the intention to reduce the stress to the very minimum, which is always the key for waking up relaxed. To be more precise, everything starting from your feet to the head will be perfectly supported, so you will never deal with any pain and this will highly affect your overall health. Another great thing about this mattress is that you won't notice any harsh smells that is often a thing when you purchase a new mattress. Of course, when you open it up, it smells a bit, but after 3 days, people claim that the smell completely disappears, so you can enjoy your time with it. There are 2 kinds of users, those who sleep on their side and those who sleep on their stomach. Well, this mattress is ideal for both these types because it feels really soft, so you can fall asleep in a matter of minutes. I also want to inform you that the Shea distributes a proper air ventilation so you can have a natural sleeping temperature without warming up quickly, which is common with mattresses in this price range. Anyways, to conclude, the sleep innovation Shea is an extremely good option for everyone's budget. So if you're looking for a quality mattress, then this is the one you're looking for, and you definitely won't go wrong with it if you ever decide to buy this one. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these memory foam mattresses, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.